Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm sitting in a 420i convertible, and it has a custom installed heads-up display unit, and it's quite dim. So basically, if I show you what it's looking like right now, there it is. Can you see it? It's pretty dull. I can just about see it. In the night time it's alright, but in the daytime we don't seem to see much. I've already looked into the brightness of the control menus. So it's here on the vehicle settings, and I believe it's somewhere in here that it comes under. I don't believe it's under driving mode. Just need to go through this because under displays, heads-up display, and here we've got the brightness set to maximum. So it's not the actual brightness that's the issue. What I've read is that, it's to do with a sensor. It's a sensor which is sitting behind the rear view mirror, and we call it a solar sensor, rain sensor. And basically what it looks like, I'll just open this up and have a look. And basically we've got, and then let's see what it looks like from the back. Here it comes. So basically this is the rain sensor here. Now this is the one that's going to be replaced inside there. So in order to open this, basically you turn the mirror and open this, pry the cover between two, and it will just open up, because it's not attached with screws or anything. And once that's open, we'll see what's behind it. So I'm just going to open it in a minute and then recap again. But just so you can see, I have managed to take it off apart, and it basically just slides out. So the two pieces in here, and here it is sliding out right now. I'm going to move the mirror out the way, and there it is. This one piece comes out here, and then we're going to remove the other piece as well, which is just on this side, to gain access to the actual sensor itself. So what we'll do, we'll have to pull this one out. So there we go, that comes out. And these are the clips that it's connected with, as long as they are all intact, which they are. So we'll keep that aside, and now we've got the sensor here. And basically the sensor is sitting behind in here, and that needs to come out. So we're just going to get access to that, and then we'll replace it. So let's see what happens. Right, so in order to remove this, there's a clip here. We can disconnect it right now, or we can disconnect it later. And the black one only, we can remove that. Once that's removed, we can pull that clip out, and that can be removed. Or what we can do, we can pry it afterwards. But in order to remove this mirror, where are we? We need to just slide it downwards. So you can hold it and push it down, and it will just come off. Because you've got the clips here, so basically what it does, it just slides it, pull it upwards, and it locks in place. And you just push it downwards, and it just comes off, and this is it. So, and the connector actually is the black one here, so we don't need to use that. Right now, just connected that, so that's the connectors here. Now the issue is that what we need to replace is this sensor here, which is effectively this one, which I have in my hand. So let's see how easy it is to replace that right now. I think that's locked in with these metal clips. So I'm going to put a screwdriver in there and hopefully get this thing opened up. And once the screwdriver goes in, we'll disconnect the metal clips, and then that would release the sensor. To remove the sensor, we've got these two clips here. Put a screwdriver on either side, this side and this side, and that should allow this to disengage hopefully, and the sensor would be loose enough to come out. So I'm just going to try to get this thing out right now, and hopefully we should be able to release this in a minute. So let me just get this taken out. So after this clip has been removed, it will be probably stuck with the with the sensor. We can just remove that, so that will come off. So we don't need to worry about that right now. The issue is this thing, and that sensor is actually kind of stuck with a bit of glue, so we can actually just pull it off gently, and that will come out. There you are. There it is. That's the sensor there. So I've removed the one that is already there. Looks similar, but not quite the same. So if we put these side by side, yeah, and this one's obviously a bit used, so it hasn't got the, yeah. Well, yes, that basically looks exactly the same. If we look at the numbers, which is the most important thing, let's see what the numbers are telling us. So let's see. Yes, as you can see, the different values. This is 793. This one's 793173001, and this one is 935484301. So yeah, they're both made by a company called Hella, but they are different. So let's try this one and see if it makes a difference on my HUD. Well, I'm pleased to tell you that this sensor has done the job. This has done it. So I can see that right now. It's because the rear view mirror is not connected, it's coming with an error, but there it is. Can you see how bright it is now? It's really bright right now. So that sensor did the trick. That's all it was. So by replacing the sensor, the dim HUD, where are we? Yeah, by replacing this sensor, which is the solar sensor or rain sensor, the HUD becomes super bright now. So we've got no issues there at all. Now I can select anything from here, and if I go into the menu, maybe if I selected a radio channel or something, it should, yeah. You see that? It is bright. It was really dim before, but that sensor is essential if we are putting HUD into a car which doesn't have one. So well, I hope this helps. I'm just going to put everything back again as I took it out. This is pretty much just clip it in and slide the mirror back on, and job done. So yeah, and thank you for watching, everyone, and thank you for all the subscribers I have, and hopefully it's again another fix that would help someone if you're actually working on a car that wants the HUD, because we installed it on this one, but we didn't realize that this needs a sensor change as well. But anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.